Fire in the hole, let's cook a chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I've got a whole chicken here. And he's in a Ziploc bag and we're going to make a marinade for him. What we're going to do is we're going to get him drunk. And once he's drunk, tomorrow when we cook him, we'll give him the hangover cure. So we'll get him double drunk. I'm going to start this out with a cup of brown sugar in my bowl right there. To that we're going to add some soy sauce, about a half a cup of soy sauce, which I carefully measure everything. I don't I don't mess around. I know how much a half a cup is. It's about a little more than that. About that much. Half a cup of soy sauce in that brown sugar. Then I got some clover honey, and I don't mess around with the honey either. I take the cover right off the top of it because we need about a half a cup of honey in there. This is, as you can tell, is going to be a sweet marinade. And I also want to put some Worcestershire sauce. My neighbors are cranking up his Harley. So we're going to put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there to give it a little kick. Worcestershire sauce, good stuff. About a fourth of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. And here's the kicker, the wild turkey. Wild turkey bourbon, about a cup of wild turkey bourbon. That's good stuff. Yeah, that's about a cup. Yeah, maybe give it another shot. Why not, you know? Got enough in there. So we've got soy sauce, brown sugar, wild turkey bourbon, honey, and Worcestershire sauce in our marinade. And we're going to use this marinade tomorrow. We're going to reserve the marinade and we're going to boil it and make a barbecue sauce for this puppy. But while we're cooking him, we're going to cook him in a special style that's going to let him get a little bit of a hangover cure going. So let me get my marinade on my chicken, get him back in the fridge. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll cook this puppy. So stay tuned. That chicken has been in the marinade all night and he's pretty drunk. In fact, he's got a terrible hangover. The best thing we can do for him right now is to get him a beer, right? So I got my beer can chicken roaster here, but you know I don't use it like that. What I do is I've got a Pyrex ball jar that I put in there, and I put the beer in the ball jar. I'm going to fill it up about 3/4 of the way with beer, and that will steam the chicken from the inside. We'll get him sitting on that. I'll drink that, don't you worry. And anyway, we'll get him sitting on just pure beer, no barbecue sauce or anything, because we're going to make a barbecue sauce to slather him down with. So let me get him on the grill and I'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned. My well marinated chicken is sitting on the beer can roaster, sitting on the grill, waiting for the grill temp to come up. And he's going to take about an hour to cook. So while he's cooking, we'll take that marinade that we have left over from him and we'll make a barbecue sauce in it that we'll slather on him as he's cooking. So stay tuned, we'll make that barbecue sauce. I got my saucepan on a hot fire over here on the Weber. And we gotta get that up to a boil, but first we gotta add a few things to that. First thing we need is some ketchup. We need about a half a cup of ketchup in there. Is this even open? Looks like it's open. Let's see, yeah. Half a cup of ketchup, any kind of chup, your favorite chup in there. There you go. Get that incorporated into that leftover marinade. That organic ketchup, for some reason, it's like lumpy. I don't know. Anyway, then we're going to put some more honey in there. We had some honey in the marinade, but we want to further freshen it up with about a fourth of a cup of that clover honey. That's good stuff. Get that mixed up in there. I want to make this a sweet barbecue sauce with that bourbon flavor. Then we got some red wine vinegar, about a fourth of a cup of red wine vinegar in there. just to bring a little bit of acidity to the barbecue sauce. And then, I don't care what anybody says, these things are the best things in sliced bread. These garlic squeeze-in paste. This is garlic. Squeeze that in there. Doesn't that look good? And I've also got some ginger squeeze-in paste. I'm going to squeeze that in there as well. Garlic and ginger. So now we've got a kind of an oriental flavored oriental bourbon barbecue sauce. We're going to mix that all up. We got to bring that to a boil because that chicken was sitting in that. We got to mash up all that stir-in paste too. That chicken was sitting in there all night, so we got to get all the bad gunky out of there. If you don't know what bad gunky is, go read Stephen King's Lacey story. Just a little book note there for you. Anyway, we're going to mix that all up, get that up to a boil, and reduce that down by half. And that'll be our barbecue sauce that we'll smear on our chicken. So stay tuned and we'll get smearing. That Yardbird is looking fine. I'm going to glaze them up with some of this barbecue sauce that I made, which is also tasting excellent. Just going to glaze them up a little bit with that, get some of it inside of them and outside of them. Oh yeah. Just get a little glaze of that on. We're going to use that as a dipping sauce when we get that chicken done. He's not quite ready yet. What's the temperature of that? Temperature in his breast is 163. He's almost done. I'm going to give him another few minutes and we will get him off there and take a taste of this puppy and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My chicken is done. It's time to drink a beer and get a taste of that chicken. So here's today's amazing beer. This is Funky Buddha Key Lime Pie, a flavored tart ale. Now I don't know, I'm approaching it with trepidation, but I'm gonna give it a shot because the last time I had a Funky Buddha beer that I didn't like the looks of it, it turned out to be great. That was that no crust. So let's give it the benefit of the doubt, a flavored tart ale. Now I'm not wild about sour ale, you know, or those kind of things, but this looks good. It's a nice pale ale. It's got a nice head. I got a nice pour on it. You have to admit that I'm redeeming myself there, Vic. What do you think? Did I redeem myself yet? Funky Buddha Key Lime Pie. Let's see how this smells. Lasso, let's take a sniff of that. It doesn't have a real pronounced smell. You'd think it smelled of citrus, but it really doesn't. So there's only one way to find out. Lasso, we gotta quaff the froth off it, baby. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I gotta tell you. It's very strange. It's got a very funny mouthfeel, and I'm not completely in love with it. I have to tell you. I don't know. It's tart, and it tastes of limes, but I'm giving this one a pass. I'm giving it a pass. I don't like it. Funky Buddha has let me down. I tell you what. Let's get a taste of this chicken. Let's get this chicken over here. Look at that puppy. Does that look good or what? I can't wait. I'm gonna take a slice right out of his breast, because I can't wait to get a taste of this. Look how juicy that chicken is. Can you see that? And that's from that beer can roaster. You know, I got a piece of the breast. That thing is like dripping with juice. Don't that look good? That's delicious. Oh my. Wow. That's interesting. Interesting flavors on that chicken. Juicy as it can be. Hope you can see that. I hope Sandra's happy. I love that sauce that I put on there. That sauce I made. Where is that? Oh. Yeah. Some of that sauce on there. That's good stuff. That sauce is amazing. Let me tell you what, I'm gonna cut me another piece of breast. I shouldn't do this when I'm hungry, but I'm always hungry. Yeah. How's that look? Not too bad, huh? That's delicious. Let me tell you what. Chicken steamed in beer, marinated overnight in bourbon, drunk as he can be. This beer, I don't know. I'm giving it a 3 out of 10. I'm gonna drink it anyway, but still, I'm not real happy with it. Anyway, that's my video, babies. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, I gotta send you over to see somebody. I don't know who today. Let me think. I really need to start doing these things ahead of time. I forgot who else. Go up on the iCard and visit this amazing channel whose channel name I have put in the iCard. I'll figure it out later when I save the video and everything. Meanwhile, my chicken is a success. This beer is not a success. Sandra, I hope you're happy. You got your yard bird you wanted. And yeah, that's some good chicken right there. Let me tell you what. So come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. The beer may not be any good. And that's just got a weird flavor. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm not wild about it. I'm going to finish it though. I'm going to force myself to finish it. But Funky Buddha has let me down. Anyway, that's my yard bird. Go up on the iCard and subscribe to whoever's up there and tell them the Root Boy sent you. Come back next week and for another amazing drunken food video, probably the last of the series. I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet. My friend Christopher suggested drunken pulled pork, but I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Anyway, bye.